Everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Kling AI application. So you know it's really popular and well-known website or application, so you can use it before on website. So now they brought the app. So first of all, you need to open your app, then you can see the interface like this. So how can you use this? Okay, so simply tap here the main things plus icon to creating, and you can see here you can AI sound, AI image, image to video, text to video, and effects. So you can use this app in three ways. So first of all, I'm going to show you like image to video or effects. So effects, you can see here instant flame, enemy figure fight, hand heart. So there are couple of effects here. Like you just need to upload your picture and it's make you. And if you want to create videos, it's really simple. An AI image, so if you want to get AI art, then you can use it, and you can give prompt. Okay, if you tap the random, then you can see photographer masterpiece that has won professional awards. Okay, so you can upload image. You can upload image with style new, and then you can upload your image, text image, or it takes for generating only. So for generate, so it's not possible in free mode, you need to premium. So this and restyle, and also there are a sound also here, like you can give sound prompt, and you can see the sound like rainy, current sound, vehicle sound, a couple of sound here. Variation 4, it takes. Okay, I'm just going to choose dipsic from a planet extend thinking. Okay, just wait a second to get it. So actually you can give your prompt here. Hi, and you can select the hints, like you can. So there are things you can generate it, then you can get it here. It takes more time. And inspirations, there are a lot of inspiration here. You can check. If you tap the explore, then you can get here the couple of option. So actually this way you can use Kling AI.